Welcome to Ballroom Feed. This is Technique Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about how to do a spot turn in cha-cha. All right, so the most common spot that you see a spot turn in cha-cha is when like the leader leads and follow through an underarm turn, right? So an underarm turn, typically she like did an open break or something or whatever, goes side to side, and then is walking through and setting up here. This is the spot turn portion of the underarm turn here. And then we do a chasse or whatever else out from it. So that middle portion of a spot turn, or underarm turn as a whole, right? So I'm gonna rotate to face you, which isn't a spot turn, this is a swivel, getting into it and setting up the middle half of this turn, right? I have to go and walk forward across myself slightly to set up a good spot turn. We use the word spot turn because when I do it, my feet stay in the same spot throughout the duration of the turn. Other turn types like swivels, my feet collect underneath myself. Pivots are different. Spot turn, I walk forward and across myself. My feet stay in the same spot, and then I get to walk forward and do a swivel out or something else from this underarm turn, right? So, same example again. I have to rotate through, walk forward and across myself is the idea here, right? Forward and across myself. I walk onto this foot. Cha-cha is fast, right? I don't really have enough time to get all the way off my back foot. I totally could. You totally could get all the way off of this foot, right? And then dance through. You could also, maybe I'll do it from the side. You could also do a rock step basically through a spot turn. I do this rock step, come back and change directly into this foot and then go to the side. So meaning I didn't get all my weight. If you already know how to do a good rock step, I'm leaving some weight on my back foot. Even though I'm going forward and across myself, I'm leaving some weight on my back foot. So when I rotate through, I end in what looks like the second half of a rock step. I just take it here and then go through, right? This is an option. This is not the only way to do it. This is a way that you can do it quicker if you feel like you're behind the music, right? I would go 4 and 1, turn through and go 2, 3, 4, and 1. Let's say do it on this side. I'd rotate through and go 2, 3, 4, and 1. Could you get a full weight transfer, completely get off the back foot? Absolutely you could. To maybe show that foot off more, but you could leave some weight in the back foot here to make it smaller and transition through slightly quicker, okay? What I want to hammer home is that when I do a spot turn, in general, I have to not walk straight forward, I have to not walk in front, but I have to walk slightly across myself, so when I end, I'm on the 2 tracks that I should have started on in a normal walking step. So now I exit with balance. The biggest troubleshoot, everybody falls over to the end of the spot turn because they walk straight forward, they turn and they end too crossed up, right? And now I have to get off balance in order to get out of this turn, right? So if I go 4 and 1 and across myself 2, then 3 I'm on balance, 4 and 1, I'll do it one time to you. I'm gonna go 2, 3, 4, and 1. My last little bonus tip is, in order to walk across yourself, you have to set up that turn well, which means I have to rotate all the way, cha-cha-cha, to face you before I go walk across myself. Some people will not rotate enough on this previous swivel, will walk over here, right? Not enough around, and it's more like an Alemana turn type, which we don't do so much in rhythm. And then I'm behind the rotation, it makes it really difficult. I'm trying to keep right angles here to make it quicker for me as a follower in this scenario here. You guys do it too. You could obviously do a spot turn yourself in any scenario. I'm gonna try to open this door to make space for me to walk forward across myself, and now the exit is significantly easier. Again, multiple variations, multiple angles you could choose. This is just one when it comes to social dancing. You can try to make it a little bit easier for yourself, you know? So, hope you like this video. Click the button below. Comment other questions you have on turn types, rhythm dances, social dancing in general, and check out ballroomfeed.com. We have hundreds of videos up on our website, up on our YouTube. We have pro videos, which much more in-depth technique and analysis here, so please take advantage of these things, and we'll see you next time.